Hello everyone, I am Himani Vishwakarma, and in this video we will learn about internal solution, internal first. So question first is how unstructured data are analyzed. Give example of data mining to analyze unstructured data. Text data. Okay. In this video we learn about how unstructured data are analyzed. So first, what is unstructured data? Such as tags, audio, images, video involves converting it into a structured format that machine can understand and process. For unstructured text data, especially techniques from data mining, natural languages processes and machine learning are widely used. Below is an outline of process and an example of a text analyze activity. So step to analyze unstructured text data. First we learn about data collection. Gathering unstructured text data from various sources like social media, email, PDFs or web pages. Second, uh, pre- pre-processing tokenization. Split text into word or sentences. Stop to words removal. Remove common words like is, the, and that doesn't add meaningful context. Steaming laminizations. Reduce word to their base or root form. Tax cleaning. Remove special collected numbers or unwanted symbol. Third, feature extraction. Bags of words or TF, IDF converted tags into numerical representations. Word embedding. You use advanced models like Word2Vec, GLOBY or BRT to represent tags in a descent vectorized format. Analyze tags classification. In this, we have to categorize in tags into predefined labels. For example, clustering, sentiment analyze, name entity recognitions, visualizations, and etc. There is an example of data mining activity. Okay, in this example, we learn how data mining activity performs. Like objective, to analyze customer reviews of a product to identify sentiment positive, negative, neutral. Steps are data collection, pre-processing, features extraction, TF, IDF to represent the text as numerical data or leverage to pre-train embedded model like BERT for deeper semantic analysis. Okay. In the now fourth is modeling. Train a supervised machine learning model. Use labels, sentiments, data. Alternatively, use a pre-trained sentiment analyze API for quicker result. In output, predict the sentiments for each review and calculate the overview sentiment score for the product. Visualization. Present the finding, use pick charts or timelines showing sentiment trends over time. Tool for text data analyze. There are some tools to analyze our data. The first is NLP libraries, data mining framework, visualization. Now in question second, how text mining technique you can automate the process of classifying written complaint. Okay, so in this question, text mining, how it's process or classifying written complaint. So there is a complaint, how the text mining technique is useful in this complaint. So automatically the classification of written complaint using text mining technique involve transforming the complaint tags into structured data and training a machine learning model to classify it. How there is can be achieved step by step. So there is step first to automate complaint classification. So first is data collection. Collect the data. Second is text processing. In this text processing, clean the tags, tokenization, remove stop words, steaming laminizations, handle spelling, etc. Third is feature extractions. Convert the processed tags into numerical features like bag of words, TF, IDF, words, embeddings, etc. The fourth is model section. Train a classification model, use supervised machine learning. Common algorithm includes logistic regression, support vector machine, random forests, boosting, deep learning, etc. The fifth is training. Split the data into training and text sets. Train the model on the labeled data, complaint and its corresponding categories. Sixth is evaluation. Measure the model's performing using metrics like accuracy, precision, recalls, F1 scores, etc. Seventh is development. Okay, integrate the model into a complaint management system to classify new complaint in real time, optionally retaining the model periodically with newly labeled complaint to improve accuracy. Example of automation using Python datasets. Okay, in this we use some steps like process data, trace model, evaluate, develop. Advanced automations options, pre-trained model, pipeline automations, integrations with workflow, and this is the questions and answer science. In the question third, consider the following complaint, suggest the approach, algorithm process to identify applicable IPC and BNN, which means Indian Penal Code and Bharatiya Nyaya Sangrahalaya. Sections 2 recommend applicable BNS or IPC sections. To identify the applicable IPC or BNS sections for a complaint, you can use text mining and natural language process. In this question, we use two methods like text mining and natural language process techniques. The task involving mapping the complaint into text to legal or regulating section based on predefined regular or a trained classification model. Below is an approach to handle this. Suggest approach. Understanding the data and context. Identify the type of complaint and its corresponding IPC and BNS sections. Creating a label data set of complaint with their associated legal regulator sections or develop a rule-based framework. Second, pre-processing the complaint tags. Prepare the tags data for analyze. Tags cleaning, tokenizations, stop towards removable, name entity recognitions, domain specific terms, features, engineers. Okay, features, engineering, phase matching, key mapping, model development, when to use, how to process it, etc. Option second is supervised machine learning, when to use, algorithms, steps, when to use. In this option third, we have to use multiple label classification, like when to use, recommendations of pipelines, tax input, preprocessing, section mapping, output, etc. Example, there is a complaint. The bank refused to refund my money even after I provide proof of the error in the transaction. This is a complaint, and in this we have to text mining the complaint. So first approach is NER and keyword matching. Keywords we have to matches like keywords, refund, proof, error, transactions, match against predefined data like legal keywords, IPC sections 403, BNS sections, RBI, grievance, redressals, normals, machine learning predictions. The model predict IPC section 403, 90% confidence, BNS rule 5.4, 85% confidence. Tools and libraries, text preprocessing, keywords, rule matching, machine learnings, multiple label classification, etc. And this is end of the question. Now in question 4th, there is a complaint like there is a theft of my mobile phone by an unknown person at MG Road on 20 February 2023. The mobile was stolen when I was shopping at a store. The thief was wearing a black jacket and had a scar on his face. Suggest suitable data structure and algorithm. In this question, we have having a complaint. This is the complaint, and in this complaint, we have to suggest a data structure and algorithm. So let's start it. To process the complaint, identify key informations and recommend an appropriate IPC section. A structured approach using text mining and NLP is needed. Below are the data structures and algorithms suitable for this task. First is data structure, a key value dictionary. Process like store extracted entities like time, location, description or the event and the prepositor. This is the example of how we describe, like in Python, complaint like crime type, theft, item stolen, mobile phone location, MG Road, date 20 February 2023. Description, we have like description like wearing a black jacket and had a scar on his face. Named entity recognition, use list or tuples to organize extracted entities such as name, date and location. For example, entities we have MG Road location, 22/2023 is the date. Clothing we have to identify like black jacket, etc. Graph or tree structure represent relations between entities such as linking the thief to the description and actions. For example, this is the example of Python, how graph or tree structures meant. Algorithms, okay. The next is text processing algorithm. In this we have learned about organization splitting text into words or sentences, and this is the code. Second is stop removal, remove common words like the, was, at. In this complaint there are some of the common words like the, was, at. We have to remove it. In B, name entity recognize. Use NER to extract entity, location, date, description. For example, tool, spice, Hugging face, transforms, etc. And this is the Python code we use. Pattern matching for IPC section mapping. Use regular expressions of a rule-based approach to detect keywords or phrase indicating specific IPC sections. Classification algorithms use supervised learning on transform-based model like logistic regressions, BERT. Okay, mapping to IPC sections. For the given text, the mapping process might look like this: crime type, keywords like theft, stolen match to IPC section 379(3). Location and date identify using NER for reporting purposes. Pre-practo description useful for further investigations. Now, in question 5th, explain suitable metrics to assess the performance of algorithm in text mining. Okay, in this question, we have to explain metrics to assess the performance of algorithm in text mining. So let's start it. Accessing the performance of algorithms in text mining depends on the specific task being performed. Here are common metrics categorized by text types. Okay, so let's start it. First, classification tags. Sentiment analyze spam detections. Accuracy, the ratio of correctly predict label to the total number of predictions. Accuracies, and this is some codes we use. Precisions, measures the correctness of positive predictions. Recalls and sensitivity. Okay. F1 score. ROC AUC, clustering task, topic model, document clustering. So these are some measure how simpler an object is to its own cluster compared to other cluster. Value range from 1 to 1.121. Normalize mutual informations. Purity, adjust rank index, measure the similarity between the ground trust and the clustering result, adjusting for change. Informations retrieved, task, document ranking, keywords, extractions, etc. Mean average precisions, compute the average precisions according the queries. Normalized, discount, cumulative gain, language modeling task. perplexity, BU scores, rough scores, BERT scores, name entity recognizing, and part of speech tagging, span, level accuracy, sentiment analyze and opinion mining, expect based metrics, confusion matrix, evaluations of topic models like Cohen scores, perplexity, human evaluation factors to consider when choosing metrics, task, goals, data, imbalance, interpretability, context specific needs, etc. Thank you.